Welcome again, student. Biology part 2nd, study of animal tissue, is the first chapter of this year. In this chapter, four major types of tissue: epithelial tissue or epithelium, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. We are studying in detail epithelial tissue and their two parts: simple epithelial tissue and compound epithelial tissue, and their subtopics are completed. Last lecture we have started. Second type of tissue is a connective tissue. Three major types of connective tissue: A. Connective tissue proper, B. Supporting connective tissue, C. Fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper are divided into two parts: loose connective tissue, areolar connective tissue, and adipose connective tissue. Then second part, dense connective tissue, are divided into two parts: dense connective tissue regular and dense connective tissue irregular. The current topic of this chapter: dense connective tissue irregular. Location of dense connective tissue irregular. The tissue is found in terms of skin. In dense irregular connective tissue, fibers and fibroblasts are not arranged in orderly manner. So why it's called as a dense connective irregular tissue? Because tissue fibers and fibroblasts are not arranged in orderly manner, hence called as a dense connective tissue. There is no specific figure of this topic in your textbook. Our body, various tissue found in dense connective tissue irregular. To see another with the help of Google, but in your syllabus there is no specific figure of this topic. In connective tissue, first part is a connective tissue proper and their loose and dense connective tissue type completed. The second point of connective tissue is a supporting connective tissue. Supporting connective tissue are divided into subparts: cartilage and bone. So start supporting connective tissue. First subtopic, cartilage. Location: it is widely distributed in vertebrates animal. Widely distributed all over the body. The structure of cartilage: this is pliable, yet tough tissue. Pliable means flexible. In cartilage, abundant matrix is delimited by a sheath of collagenous fiber called perichondrium. The sheath of this tissue is made up of collagenous fiber. These fibers scattered in the tissue called as a perichondrium. Perichondrium is a white fibrous sheath covering of the cartilage. Blood vessels and nerve vessels are present in it. Perichondrium is a first layer of this tissue. Chondrins. Chondrins is the semi-solid matrix present in the perichondrium. Immature chondroblast. Cartilage forming cells are seen towards peripheral or inner margin. New forming cell present in the chondrins towards a cartilage peripheral or outer region. Bone forming cell are called as a chondroblast. These are present towards the periphery or the inner margin. Then chondroblast. In the cartilage perichondrium, chondrines and next chondroblasts are present. These chondroblasts are converted into chondrocytes or cartilage cell during development. Chondroblasts help for converted to chondrocytes or cartilage cell during a development. This developing cell is called as a chondroblast. Then chondrocytes. Chondrocytes is a cartilage or also called as a bone forming cells. The structure of chondrocytes inside the 2 to 8 lacuna are present in the number of 2, 4, 6 and 8. This structure is called as a lacuna. So function of cartilage. Cartilage acts as supporting framework for the body. It forms endoskeleton of many vertebrates and cartilaginous present. Supporting framework are binding with the help of cartilage. It forms also endoskeleton of many vertebrates. Exoskeleton is an outer covering and endoskeleton is an inner covering. Means inner skeleton is called as a endoskeleton. The skeleton which are outside of the body is called as a exoskeleton. So this tissue create a framework to a body and many vertebrates as well as a cartilaginous fishes. Due to the complete of introduction of cartilage, their location, structure and function, cartilage are divided into 4 major types: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage, calcified cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is also called as a glossy cartilage. The structure see as a like glass, hence called as a hyaline cartilage.